All right. Once again, Manoa Street Marketplace and our friends over here from Kilauea Kreations. Is it two?
It's Kilauea Kreations 2. And,
Okay, I'm sorry.
yeah, it is Kilauea Kreations 2. I'm Leimomi Bode. I'm our store manager.
So why is it two? I heard there's multiple locations.
Yes. So we have another shop in Volcano, and that we've been there since 1995. And I was actually going to share a little mo'olelo. So I am named after an incredible woman, and her name was Leimomi Pua, and she is my grandma. She was a local activist, master lauhala weaver. She also was our Mary Monarch Mo'i Wahine in 1979, and she just was a powerful force in our community. But she inspired my mom to open a Hawaiian gift shop, Hawaiian quilting and gift shop in Volcano where we lived. And sadly, the same month that my parents opened the shop, she had passed away. And but my mom, she really persevered. She pressed through, and she created a space where women would be uplifted, and it would keep the Hawaiian arts and artists thriving. And then in 2007, my mom and I, we continued that vision, and we came to Hilo, and we opened Kilauea Kreations 2. And so we now are continuing the heritage that my grandma really stood for, and that's how we came to be.
I love that. Mahalo for sharing that mo'olelo with
It's a
us.
heartfelt story.
Hello, my name is Ola.
Aloha, Ola. Thank you guys so much.
My brother.
All right. All in ohana over here.
Yes.
And tell us about that beautiful creation behind us.
Yes. So we are a Hawaiian quilt and gift shop, but really that is the foundation of who we are as Hawaiians, as a shop in itself. And this particular quilt is called Kalua Pele, and it was quilted by Roberta Mueller. She was our very first Hawaiian quilting teacher when we opened our shop in 2007 here in Hilo. And you know, Hawaiian quilting, it's more than just a craft. It's an expression of who we are. And so that's what we want to perpetuate in our quilt shop, is a space where others can find inspiration and be able to create and really see what was done in the past and make it their own. And that is the same thing that our kupuna did when the missionaries brought quilting to Hawaii in the 1800s. They took quilting and they made it their own.
Yes.
We leveled it up, sister.
Yes. Yes, and so that's what we do. That's what we do at Kilauea Kreations as well. We take what is and we make it our own, and we inspire others to do the same.
Do you guys teach people how to do it? Do you have classes?
So we have a classroom, and we teach all types of different classes. We have regular Western style quilting. We do project-based classes. We teach keiki and Hawaiian quilting as well.
Wow.
That is so beautiful. Sis, I am so tired of people saying that arts like this are dying. You know, they often say that, oh, it's a dying art, you know, nobody is passing it on. And here you folks are paying it forward to our next generations at Kilauea Kreations too. How can somebody who is watching right now, you know, inquire with you folks on how to get into a class or how to get started?
You can come into our shop here at the Manoa Marketplace. Most of our classes are posted on our website at kilaueacreations.com. But really just come in and inquire. Ask us, tell us what you're interested in, what you're looking for. We're starting a Hawaiian quilting class in May. You can come see us about that too. We're really excited. And then also just come in and talk stories. All of our ladies at the shop love when people come in and we just talk stories for hours. It's like a bar. We just tell everything. It's awesome. We love it.
I love it
A
too.
quilting bar.
Yes.
And then also come. We have put on our walls 3 very amazing heritage quilts. One is a 100-year-old high Hawaii Hawaiian flag quilt, 100 years old.
Wow.
It's phenomenal to see it and want to know its story so bad. But also right next to it are 2 other quilts that were made in the 1930s, 1940s, and equally amazing. And then we have our owner's High Hawaii, which is about 20 years old as well.
Wow.
And another gifted Pele quilt that had to been made in 1996. So all very old, beautiful, phenomenal quilts. So please come and see them.
We love vintage. We love honoring our kupuna and our past. Thank you guys so much. We're going to come visit you guys right down the road, or right down this aisleway here at Manono Street Marketplace. All right, we are broadcasting live. Of course, it's our Hilo week. We're going to take a quick break. We'll be right back.